quick unboxing of these two different types of vitamin D oral spray from a company called Better You. So I gather this is quite a well-known healthy brand. Thought I'd give this a try. It says free pill in each of them as well. So one's a D1000 and the other one's a 4000. So the IU is international units, I gather. So that's 1000 IU and that one's 4000 IU. And I guess you just spray them in your mouth and then you get the vitamins that way. Let's have a quick look at the packaging. So on the front you can see they're fairly similar. 15 millilitres. One says vitamin D3, the other one says vitamin D. I think it's all the same stuff, to be fair. But let's get these open and see what's inside. So this one has got slightly different packaging, these two. So this one's got a little plastic thing on the top, whereas this one has a little press and lift to open. So I guess we press it in like that and you sort of rip it open. That's one, and that's the other one. So I'm not sure where these free pills are that it mentions on the packaging, but there's the two sprays, I guess like normal sprays, and it mentions free pill. Oh, pill free, beg your pardon, pill free. So yeah, that's what you get. Let's get one open. And then there's a little squirty. So you put that in your mouth and let's see whether they do anything at all. I'm sure they will. You're always better to get your vitamins, I think, with this kind of thing from direct sunlight. But maybe a little bit of a top up. I heard it sort of makes you feel pretty good. So that is that.